Welcome back to KKOT's, your go-to destination for everything automotive. Today we have an exciting review of the stunning Kia car, showcasing its sleek and dynamic exterior. Let's dive right in. From the moment you lay eyes on this Kia, it's clear that this car is designed to make a statement. The first thing that grabs attention is the bold, wide front grille, a signature feature of Kia's design language. The chrome surrounds add a touch of elegance, while the aggressive honeycomb pattern ensures the car looks fierce and ready for the road. As you move along the side, the smooth, flowing lines of the body give the Kia a sense of motion, even when it's standing still. The sculpted doors and the angular wheel arches give it an athletic stance, as if it's poised to accelerate at any moment. The car's proportions are perfectly balanced, offering a combination of sportiness and sophistication. Whether it's the sharp, dynamic side character lines or the subtle curves, this car is all about elegance and power. Now let's talk about the wheels. The alloy wheels come in various sizes, adding an extra layer of style, with some designs featuring a bold multi-spoke pattern that contrasts beautifully with the car's exterior color. Moving to the rear, the Kia car doesn't disappoint. The taillights, with their distinctive LED signature, give it a futuristic look. The rear bumper, designed with sculpted edges, enhances the vehicle's sportive feel. The dual exhaust outlets are neatly integrated, adding to the overall athletic appeal. You can really tell that every detail has been meticulously crafted for both style and aerodynamics. Finally, the overall design of this Kia isn't just about looks, it's also about functionality. Aerodynamic enhancements like the integrated front splitter and rear diffuser help reduce drag, improving efficiency without striking appearance. As you step into the cabin, you're greeted by premium materials that immediately elevate the feel. The soft touch surfaces, sleek leather upholstery, and well-crafted details give it an upscale vibe. The seats are not only stylish, but also provide excellent support, making long drives more comfortable than ever. In the center, the infotainment system steals the show. With a high-resolution touchscreen, easy-to-use interface, and smartphone integration like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, staying connected on the go has never been easier. Plus, the user-friendly controls on the dashboard are intuitively placed for a seamless experience. The Kia's interior also offers an abundance of space, with ample legroom and headroom for both the front and rear passengers. The quiet cabin is perfect for a relaxing ride even when you're cruising at highway speeds. As you step into the cabin, you're immediately greeted by premium materials that elevate the entire experience. The soft touch surfaces and high-quality leather upholstery give the interior a luxurious feel, while the modern design keeps everything looking fresh and sleek. The seats are incredibly comfortable, with ample cushioning and support, ensuring a smooth and relaxing ride whether you're on a long road trip or daily commute. The interior of the driver's seat puts everything at your fingertips, with controls that are intuitively placed for convenience. When it comes to performance, this Kia doesn't disappoint. Whether you're driving through the city or hitting the open road, the engine delivers smooth acceleration and responsive handling. It's not just about power, it's about efficiency too. With advanced suspension systems and a well-tuned chassis, this car offers a perfect balance of comfort and driving excitement, making every journey enjoyable. And there you have it. From the premium interior to its impressive performance, this Kia offers a top-tier driving experience. Be sure to stay tuned for more reviews and automotive content right here on KK Autos.